Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to take a picture using your PlayStation 5 camera and then edit it in the free photo editor called Sharefactory Studios. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So it's very easy to go ahead and edit a photo on your PlayStation 5 using Sharefactory. However, it's a little bit more tricky going ahead and getting a picture. So let's go over to my PlayStation right now, and then we're going to launch Sharefactory Studios right here by pressing X on this. Then I'm going to go to New Video Editor and go to New Project and just choose the one in the middle, Sharefactory Studio Creator Theme, by pressing X on this. Then I'm going to remove everything else by pressing X on this. Then I'm just going to add one of the Call of Duty video clips I made earlier and go to Continue. You can rename this whatever you want. Now under here, I'm going to press X right away and go to Add Track 2. Then you can see yourself in here with the PlayStation 5 camera. Now I'm going to press X and go to Record Video. Now when we record video, this is what we're going to be taking a picture from. So let's go ahead and press X under Record and then get in position for a picture. So let's go ahead and do a thumbs up. Awesome. Now press X to stop this. So this is going to save an entirely new video clip. Now I'm going to hold down the PlayStation button and go back to the home screen. And then go ahead and find Media Gallery. If you don't see it on your games section right here, just on the home screen, go over to Library. And then find it under here. And it should show up. So mine is under Installed. Then go over and go to Media Gallery. And open this up. And here's the video clip I just recorded right here. Now go through the timeline and find where you want to go ahead and take that picture. Then press X to pause it, and press up on the D-pad to get rid of the screen, or just wait a couple seconds, and then press the share button and take a picture. Boom, a picture or a screenshot was then just taken. So here is my picture I just took. Beautiful. Now we can edit this in Sharefactory. So let's press Options over it, and then go to Edit in Sharefactory Studios. Or back out of this, and go to Exit Without Saving, and then go over to Photo Editor, and go to New Project. Choose your theme. Now let's go down to my photo right here, and select it and press square to add it to my timeline. Rename it to whatever you want. Continue. So there's my picture. Now if you've never used this before, you can have multiple different frames and multiple different pictures in here as well. So you can go all the way up to how many pictures? 7, 8, 9, 13, 14, 16 different pictures you can have in here at the same time. So I'm just going to choose one for this demonstration. I'm going to press X on this. Now you can edit the background, edit the photo. So let's edit the background and get rid of the white lines, the border settings. And move down the spacing so we don't see those. Otherwise you can move it up. So maybe let's keep it right here and then round it off a little bit. Perfect. You can also change the color of the spacings. Let's maybe make it a blue and go down to saturation, make it a little bit darker. Perfect. And make sure the brightness is all the way up, otherwise it's going to be just a black color. Then press X to confirm. Perfect. Now you can also choose the background if you don't like a solid color. So they have some of these theme art in the background you can add. So let's choose one of the theme art, or you can go down to like one of your Call of Duty pictures. So here's me jumping on something in Call of Duty. So that's in the background. So we'll keep that on there just for this video. Now go to X and we can edit the picture a little bit more. We can choose the color. That'll be entire solid color, so we don't want to save that. We can choose the screenshot, which we already did. Now we can go to X and go to Pan and zoom in around the screen, or zoom out. Press X to confirm. We can go to Add Overlay and add some stickers to the screen, like, follow. We can go to one of these creator packs. This comes with the theme, or we can add text. So if we want to add something like, hey, subscribe or something, hello. Let's go to hey, and transform that and put it over here and make it bigger by using R1 or L1. And we can use R2 to rotate it. Press X to put it down. You can change the color of the text, and you can use text effects right here. Let's change the effect. I kind of like the one with the black outline. Perfect. You can edit the text, delete it, or change it in the layout order, or align it. Under the layout menu, we can press X again, and we can go back to like a sticker. Let's scroll down. We can even add stickers from a USB stick if we want to go ahead and do that and get something that's not in here. So let's choose one of these stickers, maybe like an arrow. Let's do a red arrow. Boom. Here's our red arrow. I'll put it right there. So that's the overlay. Then you can go to edit the overlays, and here's filter. If we press X on this and go to add filter, we have a bunch of different ones. We have colorize, luminance, saturate, and we can go down and there's more. Backlight, let's go to backlight, and that's what that looks like. I'm going to change the filter to something more reasonable. Let's go to clarity. It's kind of like an increase of saturation in colors. And here's vintage. Let's add vintage. So this is going to pretty much blur the sides, or it will add like a black area around the outsides of the screen. Kind of like that. Now you can press L2 and make your picture full screen. Now let's go ahead and save it. I'm going to press the options button on my controller and then go to export settings. You can see the different file types you can save your picture as. By default, it's going to save as JPEG, but you can export it as HDR. Now I'm going to save it by pressing triangle, and this should render relatively quickly. Then you can share it. You can share it to Twitter or your specific parties that you're in. So if I want to go to one of my like A team or B team parties, let's go to this person right here and send it as a message. Boom, my picture just was sent as a message. And it will take some time to upload. Let's go to my gameplays and go to that person and just see how that looks in the messages now. Go to view message. So here it is. It's just about uploaded. 1 second left. And here is my picture sent as a message on the PlayStation 5. So everyone should be able to see this if I send it as a party. And if you go back to the picture under Media Gallery, there are some options to edit this under here as well. So just press the options button on your controller and then go to edit. Then you can crop it and easily zoom in just like this using the L3 button to move in and out. So let's crop it. And then go to rotate. We can completely rotate this just like that by pressing the L3 button left and right. And we can even add like text from here as well. Hello. Now the text options aren't as great. We can go to a different font, change the color, change the scale and make it a little bit bigger, or position it. So that is how you take a selfie and upload it as a picture. So if this video was interesting or helped you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 5 tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.